Saturday. This watch includes the following county, District of Columbia, and the following counties in Maryland and Arundel, Baltimore, Calvert, Carroll, Frederick, Harford, Howard Kent, Montgomery, Prince George's, Queen Anne's and Talbot, and the Maryland independent city of Baltimore, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Adams and York, and the following, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, and Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.